Hi, I'm Elaine Proby from PROBY'S Tax and Accounting. Welcome back to Tips from Elaine's Desk. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's very common during tax season, and that is, what do I need to bring to get my tax return done? Okay, let's start with you. Bring your identification form, make sure you know your social security number, of course, date of birth, and if you are married, bring your spouse's name, social security number, and date of birth. If you're married filing separate, you also need your spouse's name, social security number, and date of birth. And then anybody else that you're going to claim on your taxes have their name, social security number, and date of birth. So now we get into income and expenses, any other deductions. This will help your bottom line. So forms of income that you need to look for is W-2s, all right? So if you have more than one job, make sure you have all those W-2s. 1099 income, you work for someone else, you're self-employed, bring that stuff with you. If you have interest, money in a bank, make sure that you bring all those interest income, dividends, any other investment. And those of you who have a rental property, sometimes you have income from a agency, an HOA, or all that stuff. Bring the income with you. If you're in doubt about any of these papers, just bring them all. We will figure it out for you. Let's get into expenses. If you are an employee, there's employee unreimbursed expenses that you can deduct on your tax return, like mileage deduction, uniforms, union dues. If you travel for your job and you're not reimbursed, you can take that. Overnight stay, parking expenses, education expenses. You can deduct all that stuff if you're not reimbursed by the employer. If you're self-employed, any expense that you incur to make that money is deductible. So your mileage, your telephone, if you had a business meeting, business meals with your client that you're trying to get business from, that's deductible. If you had to pay for, let's say, computer expenses, a website design, any legal assistant, any consultation, all the stuff is deductible. Just think in terms of, if I spent this money to make some money, I can deduct it. So other deductions that you can take, don't forget it, your mortgage interest, property taxes, health insurance expenses, contributions to any nonprofit. Doesn't necessarily have to be to a church. It could be cash, it could be non-cash. All this stuff is deductible. So when in doubt, bring all the papers that is mailed to you that looks like it belongs to your taxes, and we'll help you sort it out. So if you have any further questions, give us a call at PROBY'S 323-290-9034 and or visit our website at PROBY'S. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Leave us a comment. We'll be glad to respond to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.